In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a defect, also known as a bug, in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading to the website that hosts Jira, which is typically a part of Atlassian's suite of software tools. You can start by opening your web browser and entering the Atlassian website address. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your Jira homepage. Once you're on the Jira home screen, you'll see a dashboard of the various projects you're involved in. You'll want to navigate to the specific project where you need to report a bug. Click on the project title to enter its main workspace. Once inside the project page, look for a three-dot icon or ellipsis, usually found in a toolbar or navigation menu. Clicking this icon will give you more options to configure or view settings related to your project. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Project Settings. This is where you can manage and make changes to the specifics of your project. Within the project settings, one of the configurations you'll find is the ability to manage work types. As we're specifically interested in logging a bug, click on Add Work Types to proceed. Upon selecting this option, you'll want to ensure that bug is one of the work types available for your project. If it's not already there, add it. Otherwise, click directly on the bug icon. This selection indicates to Jira that you're beginning to log a defect. Now comes the most crucial part, filling in the bug details. This form will typically ask for a title, description, steps to reproduce the issue, expected versus actual results, and any other pertinent information that will help your team identify and address the defect. Be as thorough as possible in your description. If it helps, think about reconstructing the issue as if you were guiding a colleague who's never encountered this defect before. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. When everything is in order, you'll find a Create or Submit button at the bottom of the form. Clicking this will officially log the bug into your team's workflow, where it can be prioritized and addressed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on raising a defect in Jira. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Jira to report bugs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.